Hello friends, welcome to the book summary. In this video, we will see the detailed book summary of Unshakeable written by Tony Robbins. Before entering the book summary, kindly like the video and subscribe to our channel. Book's link is given in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. Let's start. Unshakeable, Your Financial Freedom Playbook is a book written by Tony Robbins, a well-known motivational speaker and self-help author, and Peter Mallouk, a financial advisor and CEO of Creative Planning. The book is designed to provide readers with a simple, actionable guide to financial freedom and security. The book begins by discussing the importance of understanding the psychology of money. Robbins argues that our beliefs and emotions surrounding money are often the biggest obstacles to financial success. He provides tips on how to shift your mindset and develop a healthy relationship with money. Next, the book covers the basics of investing, including the difference between active and passive investing, the importance of diversification, and the role of fees and taxes in investing. Robbins and Mallouk argue that by understanding these fundamentals and investing in low-cost index funds, investors can achieve consistent, long-term returns without taking on unnecessary risk. The book then delves into the importance of having a plan for your money. Robbins and Mallouk explain the concept of asset allocation and provide guidance on how to build a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your personal goals and risk tolerance. The authors also address the common fears and concerns that many people have about investing, such as market volatility and the risk of losing money. They argue that by staying disciplined and sticking to a well-thought-out investment plan, investors can weather market downturns and achieve long-term success. Throughout the book, Robbins and Mallouk emphasize the importance of working with a trusted financial advisor who can help you navigate the complexities of investing and develop a personalized plan for achieving your financial goals. The book concludes with a series of interviews with some of the world's most successful investors, including Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio. These interviews provide insights into the mindset and strategies of some of the most successful investors of our time. Overall, Unshakeable is a comprehensive guide to investing and financial planning that is accessible to readers of all levels of experience. By providing a clear and actionable roadmap to financial freedom, Robbins and Mallouk have created a valuable resource for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Chapter 1: Unshakeable. This chapter sets the tone for the rest of the book by discussing the importance of having a strong mindset when it comes to finances. The chapter begins by acknowledging that many people are afraid or uncertain when it comes to investing and managing their money. This fear can stem from a variety of sources, such as past financial mistakes or a lack of knowledge about investing. Robbins argues that the key to overcoming these fears is to develop an unshakable mindset. This means shifting your focus away from short-term market fluctuations and instead focusing on the long-term potential of investing. To develop an unshakable mindset, Robbins suggests starting by understanding the basic principles of investing. He emphasizes the importance of diversification and argues that by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, investors can reduce their overall risk and achieve consistent returns over time. Robbins also stresses the importance of staying disciplined and avoiding emotional decision-making. He argues that by sticking to a well-thought-out investment plan and avoiding the urge to react to market volatility, investors can avoid common mistakes that can derail their long-term financial goals. Ultimately, the goal of developing an unshakable mindset is to achieve financial freedom and security. By focusing on the long-term potential of investing and staying disciplined in the face of market volatility, investors can build a solid financial foundation that will help them weather any economic storm. Overall, Chapter 1 of Unshakeable lays out the foundational principles that will be expanded upon throughout the rest of the book. By emphasizing the importance of mindset and discipline, Robbins sets the stage for a practical and actionable guide to achieving financial freedom and security. Chapter 2: Winter is coming, but when? This chapter explores the inevitability of market downturns and the importance of being prepared for them. The chapter begins by discussing the cyclical nature of the stock market and how periods of growth and decline are a normal part of the economic cycle. Robbins argues that while market downturns can be scary, they are also an opportunity for savvy investors to buy assets at a discount. However, Robbins also acknowledges that it can be difficult to predict when a market downturn will occur. He cites historical examples of market crashes, such as the 2008 financial crisis, and notes that while some experts saw the signs of trouble ahead of time, many did not. To help investors prepare for a potential downturn, Robbins suggests focusing on risk management and diversification. By diversifying your portfolio across a variety of asset classes and sectors, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular area of risk. Robbins also emphasizes the importance of having a long-term investment strategy and avoiding the urge to react to short-term market fluctuations. He notes that historically, the stock market has always recovered from downturns, and that investors who stay disciplined and stick to their plan can weather even the most severe economic storms. Ultimately, the goal of preparing for a potential market downturn is to be able to take advantage of the opportunities that arise during times of economic turmoil. By staying disciplined, diversified, and focused on the long-term potential of investing, investors can build a solid financial foundation that will help them weather any economic storm. Overall, Chapter 2 of Unshakeable provides a sobering reminder of the inevitability of market downturns and the importance of being prepared for them. By focusing on risk management and staying disciplined in the face of market volatility, investors can position themselves to take advantage of opportunities that arise during times of economic turmoil. Chapter 3: Hidden Fees and Half-Truths. This chapter exposes some of the ways in which financial advisors and institutions can mislead investors and drain their savings through hidden fees. The chapter begins by discussing the fiduciary standard, which requires financial advisors to act in their clients' best interests. However, Robbins notes that not all advisors are held to this standard and that some are motivated more by commissions and fees than by their clients' financial well-being. Robbins explains that one of the ways in which advisors can take advantage of clients is through hidden fees. These fees can come in many forms, including sales charges, expense ratios, and transaction fees. While they may seem small, over time these fees can add up and significantly erode an investor's returns. Robbins also notes that some financial advisors use half-truths and misleading marketing tactics to sell their services. For example, an advisor may claim to offer low fees while neglecting to mention other hidden costs. Similarly, some financial products may be marketed as safe or guaranteed, even though they carry significant risks that investors may not be aware of. To protect yourself from these hidden fees and misleading marketing tactics, Robbins suggests taking a proactive approach to investing. This includes doing your own research, asking your advisor tough questions, and being wary of products that promise high returns with little risk. Robbins also recommends working with a fiduciary advisor who is legally bound to act in your best interests. He notes that while these advisors may charge higher fees up front, they can save you money in the long run by helping you avoid hidden fees and making sound investment decisions. Overall, Chapter 3 of Unshakeable highlights the importance of being vigilant when it comes to your investments and understanding the ways in which financial advisors and institutions can mislead investors. By taking a proactive approach to investing and working with a trusted fiduciary advisor, investors can protect their savings and achieve their financial goals. Chapter 4: Rescuing Our Retirement Plans. This chapter addresses the challenges many Americans face when it comes to saving for retirement. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the current state of retirement savings in the United States. He notes that many Americans are woefully unprepared for retirement, with one survey finding that more than half of American households have no retirement savings at all. Robbins then identifies three major obstacles that prevent many people from saving enough for retirement: lack of access, lack of education, and lack of discipline. Many people do not have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans, and those who do may not fully understand how to use them effectively. Additionally, even those who have access to retirement plans may struggle with discipline and find it difficult to prioritize long-term savings over short-term expenses. To overcome these obstacles, Robbins suggests a number of strategies for saving more effectively for retirement. These include taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401k plans, and maximizing contributions to those plans. Robbins also suggests investing in low-cost index funds, which can help minimize fees and maximize returns. He notes that while active management may seem appealing, the high fees associated with these types of investments can significantly eat into returns over time. Finally, Robbins emphasizes the importance of having a clear retirement plan and sticking to it over the long term. This includes setting realistic savings goals, regularly reviewing and adjusting your investments, and avoiding the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. Overall, Chapter 4 of Unshakeable provides a roadmap for overcoming the challenges of saving for retirement. By taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, investing in low-cost index funds, and maintaining a disciplined savings strategy, investors can achieve their retirement goals and build a solid financial foundation for the future. Chapter 5: Who Can You Really Trust? This chapter focuses on the importance of finding trustworthy financial advisors who can help investors navigate the complex world of investing. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the different types of financial advisors, including commission-based brokers, fee-only advisors, and registered investment advisors, RIAs. He notes that while each of these types of advisors has its own advantages and disadvantages, investors should be wary of advisors who are primarily motivated by commissions or who are not legally bound to act in their clients' best interests. Robbins emphasizes the importance of finding a financial advisor who is a fiduciary, meaning that they are legally required to act in their clients' best interests. He notes that while fiduciary advisors may charge higher fees upfront, they can ultimately save investors money by helping them avoid hidden fees and making sound investment decisions. Robbins also suggests doing your own research on potential financial advisors and checking their credentials and disciplinary history with regulatory organizations. He notes that while credentials such as Certified Financial Planner, CFP, or Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, can be helpful, they are not guarantees of an advisor's competence or trustworthiness. Finally, Robbins highlights the importance of having open and honest communication with your financial advisor. He notes that a good advisor should be willing to listen to your goals and concerns, explain complex financial concepts in plain language, and be transparent about fees and potential conflicts of interest. Overall, Chapter 5 of Unshakeable emphasizes the importance of finding a trustworthy financial advisor who can help investors achieve their financial goals. By choosing a fiduciary advisor, doing your own research, and maintaining open communication, investors can build a strong and trusting relationship with their advisor and achieve long-term financial success. Chapter 6: The Core 4. This chapter focuses on the 4 basic principles of successful investing. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the importance of diversification, or spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. He notes that diversification can help reduce risk and increase returns over the long term, and emphasizes that investors should avoid putting all their eggs in one basket. The second principle of successful investing, according to Robbins, is asset allocation. This refers to the process of dividing your investments among different asset classes based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Robbins suggests using a balanced portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and cash or cash equivalents, with the exact allocation depending on factors such as age, income, and investment timeline. The third principle of successful investing is minimizing fees and taxes. Robbins notes that while fees and taxes may seem small, they can have a significant impact on investment returns over time. He suggests investing in low-cost index funds, which have lower fees and better long-term performance than many actively managed funds, and using tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs and 401(k)s to minimize taxes. Finally, Robbins emphasizes the importance of staying the course and avoiding emotional reactions to market fluctuations. He notes that the most successful investors are those who have a long-term investment strategy and stick to it, even in the face of short-term market volatility. Overall, Chapter 6 of Unshakeable provides a practical framework for successful investing based on the 4 core principles of diversification, asset allocation, minimizing fees and taxes, and maintaining a long-term perspective. By following these principles, investors can build a strong and resilient investment portfolio that can weather the ups and downs of the market and achieve long-term financial success. Chapter 7: Slay the Bear. This chapter focuses on strategies for managing risk and staying calm during market downturns. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the natural human tendency to feel fear and anxiety during market downturns, which can lead to panic selling and further declines in the market. He notes that successful investors are those who are able to manage their emotions and stay focused on their long-term investment goals. To manage risk during market downturns, Robbins suggests diversifying your portfolio across a range of asset classes, including low-risk investments such as bonds and cash. He also suggests using strategies such as dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, which can help smooth out fluctuations in the market. Robbins notes that one of the most effective ways to slay the bear is to maintain a long-term investment perspective. He emphasizes that while market downturns may be painful in the short term, they are often followed by periods of growth and prosperity. By staying the course and maintaining a disciplined investment strategy, investors can take advantage of these long-term trends and achieve strong returns over time. Finally, Robbins emphasizes the importance of taking a proactive approach to managing risk. He suggests regularly reviewing your investment portfolio and making adjustments as needed to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Overall, Chapter 7 of Unshakeable provides practical strategies for managing risk and staying calm during market downturns. By diversifying your portfolio, maintaining a long-term perspective, and taking a proactive approach to risk management, you can slay the bear and achieve long-term financial success. Chapter 8: Silencing the Enemy Within. This chapter focuses on the mental and emotional barriers that can prevent us from achieving financial success. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the concept of self-sabotage, which occurs when we make decisions that are not in our best interests. He notes that self-sabotage can take many forms, such as procrastination, fear of success, and negative self-talk. To overcome self-sabotage, Robbins suggests developing a growth mindset, which involves adopting a positive and proactive approach to personal development. He notes that successful investors are those who are able to learn from their mistakes and take action to improve their financial situation. Robbins also discusses the importance of taking responsibility for our financial success. He notes that while external factors such as the economy and market conditions can influence our investment returns, ultimately we are the ones responsible for our financial future. To silence the enemy within, Robbins suggests developing a sense of purpose and passion around our financial goals. He notes that having a clear sense of why we are investing can help us stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Finally, Robbins emphasizes the importance of taking action and making small, incremental changes to improve our financial situation. He notes that small changes can add up over time and lead to significant improvements in our financial health. Overall, Chapter 8 of Unshakeable provides practical strategies for overcoming the mental and emotional barriers that can prevent us from achieving financial success. By adopting a growth mindset, taking responsibility for our financial future, and staying focused on our goals, we can silence the enemy within and achieve long-term financial success. Chapter 9: Real Wealth. This chapter focuses on the true meaning of wealth and how to achieve it. Robbins begins the chapter by discussing the common misconception that wealth is measured solely in financial terms, such as net worth or income. He notes that while financial wealth is important, it is not the only measure of a successful and fulfilling life. To achieve real wealth, Robbins suggests focusing on 4 key areas: financial, emotional, physical, and spiritual. He notes that each of these areas is interconnected and that neglecting any one of them can lead to imbalances and dissatisfaction in life. In the financial realm, Robbins suggests adopting a long-term perspective and focusing on strategies that can provide steady, reliable returns over time. He notes that while high-risk investments may offer the potential for higher returns, they can also lead to significant losses and emotional stress. In the emotional realm, Robbins emphasizes the importance of developing strong relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. He notes that having a supportive network of people can help us weather life's challenges and achieve greater happiness and fulfillment. In the physical realm, Robbins suggests adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. He notes that physical health is essential to achieving overall well-being and can have a significant impact on our ability to succeed in other areas of life. Finally, in the spiritual realm, Robbins suggests developing a sense of purpose and meaning in life. He notes that having a clear sense of why we are here and what we hope to accomplish can provide a sense of direction and motivation that can help us achieve our goals. Overall, Chapter 9 of Unshakeable provides a holistic view of wealth and offers practical strategies for achieving real wealth in all areas of life. By focusing on financial, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being, we can achieve a more fulfilling and successful life. Conclusion. In Unshakeable, Tony Robbins offers practical advice and insights on how to achieve financial freedom and success. Throughout the book, Robbins emphasizes the importance of taking a long-term perspective and focusing on strategies that can provide steady, reliable returns over time. He also provides practical tips on how to navigate the complex world of finance and investing, including how to avoid hidden fees and half-truths, and how to identify trustworthy financial advisors. One of the key messages of the book is that achieving financial success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about achieving real wealth in all areas of life, including emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. Robbins emphasizes the importance of taking care of ourselves and our relationships, and developing a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Ultimately, the book is about empowering readers to take control of their financial future and achieve a more fulfilling and successful life. By adopting a growth mindset, taking responsibility for our financial success, and staying focused on our goals, we can overcome the mental and emotional barriers that can prevent us from achieving financial freedom and achieve long-term success. Book's link is given in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. Thank you for watching. The Financial Freedom is the book written by me. In this book, I explained the pillars of personal finance and step-by-step guide to achieve the financial freedom. In this book, I have explained how rich get richer and poor get poorer with examples. Also, I have explained how much money required to achieve financial freedom using 4% rule. This book's link is given in the description. You can buy the book using that link.